Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about content database in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So what the content database? A content database is a database that is isolated from the other database and from the instance of SQL Server that hosts the database. So let's understand by example. So if you are going to use content database, so first right click on the server and hereafter go to properties and here go to advanced and here you can find enable content database. So add here by default it's false. So make that true. Now hereafter click on OK. Now hereafter let's create add here database. So add here going to create content database. Now hereafter go to properties and here you can find content tab. So by default it's a none. So we need to select add here parser. Now here after selecting parcel, here you can find content default language transfer to digit year cutoff. Now here after parcel selected, now click on OK. So add here database created. Now here after click on plus and here after go to security. Now next we need to create add here user. So first I'm going to show you the user. Four user are there. Now here after right click and here new user. So add here or DB selected. Now give the user name. So add here going to give uh, com underscore DB and here after let's give password and here give the password. Now here after we need to select the language. Select suitable language. Now by default schema let's give add here DBO. Now no need to change anything else. Click on OK. So see at here there is a one con underscore db it's created. Now the next step is let's go to add here connect and here. So add here let's go give the password add here 1234. Now here after the next thing is browse and here after let's click add here. Click on browse. Click on yes. Now here from here we need to select add here. So add here this is connect to database. So we need to select add here content database. So content database this that I just created. Select that and here click on OK. Now no need to change anything else. Go to here login and here there is a I just created one login with the name add here con underscore db and here give the password. Now here after click on connect. Now here you can find new separate. So see at here first this is here is the details. So con Lenovo PC SQL Server and here con underscore DB. So this is the at here user and here content DB. So this is the database name. Now here you go database. There is a one separate database created and here you can find security and user. So at here this is the con underscore DB is the user. So after creating this, okay, so this is the one isolated database content or DB, and here after we can perform any kind of like table creation and here view creation like this. So suppose add here one more thing. I'm just going to show you add here. Just add here. Go to properties and here disabling advanced and here no content database. Now hereafter click on OK. Now hereafter let's create one database. So normal database creating. Let's give the name normal DB. Now hereafter press OK. Normal DB it's created. Now hereafter go add here. Go to security. Now here this is. Now let's add here create new user. So add here user, but add here I could not find like username and confirm password and password like this kind of things. Here it's asking username and here. So this is the difference at here. We cannot create, we can use, we have to give when you select at a SQL server with user with login. So here you give a username and here login name, then defaults. But if you select add a content database, then here you can let's select once again content database, add here. Now here after let's create add here new database. So this is the normal. Now here going to create e underscore db. Now hereafter go to option and here you can find make that partial and hereafter click on OK. Now hereafter let's see add here security and user property. So here you can DB it's created. Now hereafter new user here you can create. So add here you can give add here username and the password. So add here you can write add here new user and hereafter give the password. After that here that user is going to create. So this is the use of content database. So here, so this is the content database and content user that I just created. And here one more time going to repeat. So our content database is a database that is isolated from the other database. So it's the isolated from the other database, content database, and from the instance of SQL server. So this instance from the instance of so at here, this has a separate user con underscore db and here it's not logged with SA and Windows authentication and from the instance of SQL server that hosts the database. So this is the things about content database in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.